everyone, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to learn formal letter writing based on a given situation. It has been recently added in class 10 CBSE board's English subject syllabus. So before starting it, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon right next to it for further notifications. Let's start with the format of formal letter. So first of all, we will add sender's address and then date. After date, there will be receiver's address and then salutation. After salutation, we will be writing about the subject and the body. Body will include 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, introductory paragraph. Then in paragraph 2, development of the topic will be there. And in paragraph 3, conclusion will be there. Then we will end it with the complimentary clause. After that, signature of the writer and then name in block letters. And if designation is given, then we have to add the designation also. When we talk about formal letter based on a given situation, we need to remember these 3 points. Number 1 is read the given situation. Whatever the question is given, we need to read it very carefully, thoroughly. And then comprehend it. Then try to understand the situation, what the question demands. And then write. Then start the writing part. So if we need to understand it very carefully, we need to go through the question and the model answer. Because then exactly you will able to understand that what should come in the body part. Here comes the question. You are Rahul, a resident of 143 Ram Enclave, New Delhi. You work at home and have a problem with the piece of equipment that you use for your job. Write a letter to the shop or company which supplied the equipment and add these points in your letter. Describe the problem with the equipment. Explain how this problem is affecting your work and say what you want the shop or company to do. So before starting the answer, we should go through again these 3 important points. That is, number 1, introduce yourself. Here the first step that we need to introduce ourselves, and in the second paragraph, describe your situation and relate with familiar situations or examples. So you have to explain your situation or your problem that need to be resolved. So you have to tell the whole incident or story behind the situation that you are experiencing. And imagine some real situation that can be easily relatable. Or you can give any of your experience that you had in the past. And in the third point, you have to write about the action that you want from the shop or company. Means you have to mention your request or command with the concerned person. So here is the answer. First of all, we have to write the sender's address, which is given in the question. House number 143, Ram Enclave, New Delhi. Then after leaving one line, we have to add the date. Then again we have to leave one line and then we will be adding the receiver's address. And then comes subject. In subject, what we have written? Dissatisfaction regarding the purchased laptop. Try to make your subject short and crisp. Now the salutation. Dear sir, madam. Here comes the first paragraph. I am writing this letter to complain about the faulty laptop that I bought from you last week on 19th August 2020, and I am working as a project manager for a reputed company and my work demands working from home after office hours. Now it's the second paragraph. I purchased a laptop with XYZ brand from your store which was working at the time I purchased it. But yesterday, while working at my home in the evening, during a Skype session with my client, the web camera stopped all of a sudden, which caused me a lot of inconvenience handling the session. Moreover, the keyboard has also not been working properly since yesterday, which makes me press the keys hard to avoid spelling mistakes. As I am working from home, I have some important project working due in 2 weeks and it is really important to get the problem fixed immediately. And now the third paragraph. I therefore request you to replace my laptop with all the necessary software installed in it, or refund the full amount as soon as possible. Then complimentary clause, yours faithfully, Rahul, and then the name in block letters, Rahul Kumar. So here in these 3 paragraphs, what we have done, we have introduced ourselves in the first paragraph, where I am working, what is my situation. Then in second paragraph, what situation I am experiencing as I have purchased this laptop from your shop, and in which problem I am now. In the third paragraph, you have made a request or command, means what actually you want from the shopkeeper now. So here are some useful expressions to begin this formal letter, or how you can do the ending. So in the beginning you can start, I am writing this letter with regard to, I am writing to bring to your attention, I am writing to inform you that, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with. And in ending you can add, I look forward to hearing from you, or I look forward to receiving your response, or I await your prompt service, or I thank you for your consideration, or please respond at the earliest convenience. Thanks for watching.